Hello, I would like to show everyone how to change lenses out in a metal frame. The part of the metal frame will be played by the RayBan 5154. All metal frames will have a metal eye wire. In most cases it will be near the hinge where the temple goes in. Sometimes it's on the nasal area, sometimes it's above that, but you'll have to look around. And this one will be using a Phillips head screwdriver, so you need a small Phillips head. The most important tool you can have is a baking dish, a metal or glass pan, and a t-shirt or dish towel that you can place in that. The purpose of that is if you were to ever drop the screw, it hits a hard surface, bounces on the floor, it's very hard to find. So you want to have a workspace that could catch the screw. You could slowly open up the eye wire. Now for glass lenses, the original RayBan glass lenses and sunglasses, you would have to take the screw out all the way. I have unbreakable lenses, so you don't have to. All your lenses will be marked right and left. This one is the left lens, holding the frame upside down so the screw does not fall out onto the tray. You can tuck it in, give it a little push. Once you know it's in there all the way, you can go back to the righty-tighty. Do the same thing on the opposite side, holding the frame upside down. Take out the original lens or the lens you want to replace. If you already have prescription in there, and this will work for both clear and sunglass lenses, put the lens in there. I keep my thumb over the screw head as I make sure that the lens is in there properly. Do a little bit of righty-tighty. And of course, all lenses come with one of my cleaning cloths. Use that to clean it up and you're done. And I'll try and get links in the description below to how to change lenses in a plastic frame or string mount as they come. But I needed to get these out in the mail today to somebody who needed prescription lenses for their 5154, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.